Now let's start discussing exercises related to vocabulary portion. So we have exercise and it is fill in the blanks with one of the following words. We are given 3 words which are everybody, everywhere, everything. So हमारे पास indefinite pronouns हैं और इनको हमने blanks में लगाना है. So first is it is the biggest shop in the city. They sell, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा everything. Second is Dash is hungry because it's dinner time. Everybody is hungry. Third is do you have Dash you need for your holiday? Do you have everything you need for your holiday? Fourth is the party was great. Dash enjoyed it. Everybody enjoyed it. Fifth is my brother knows Dash about football. He loves it. My brother knows everything about football. Sixth is the center of Nathia Gali is beautiful, but there are tourists everywhere. Seventh is Islamabad is a brilliant city, but everything is quite expensive. Eighth is their garden is full of flowers. There are roses and tulips everywhere. Ninth is I like my new job. The work is interesting and everybody is very friendly. 10th is I haven't got a car. I travel everywhere by public transport. Thank you.